Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching or attending the final video lesson in the stock market masterclass. This 4-part series has been so much fun so far. I've been able to teach you guys so much, and I'm so excited to get into the rest of it here. But I just want to remind you guys that the MacBook Air giveaway, this thing that I'm shipping out to one of the lucky few of you guys, will be announced at the very end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch as you can see who the winner is. If you're the winner and you see your name on the end of the video, make sure to email me and we will ship you this out, as well as PayPaling you $500 and giving you a year access to the software. So anyways, guys, just a quick reminder that if you want to get access to this giveaway, make sure to stay tuned till the end. All right, guys, let's jump into the video. I'll see you at the end. We are living through one of the greatest wealth transfers in the world right now. The rich are getting uber rich and the poor are getting even poorer. The stock market is an amazing way to combat this issue, beat the rising inflation, and become a part of the new rich. So if you have tried making money from the stock market before, I have to ask, are you tired of losing money? Not knowing what stocks to buy? Confused on where to buy and sell for the lowest risk and the highest reward? Maybe you're a beginner and don't know where to start or where to find quality stocks. If you're anything like me, you have tried so many different strategies in hopes to make money from the market, but you are actually constantly losing money and maybe even blowing up your account. Losing sucks because you see the money you worked so hard to save just disappear without any say or control. After you lose that money, you have to start back from zero, which takes forever, especially when you have friends or a significant other asking how your portfolio is doing and you have to lie. Or you tell the truth and you feel like a failure because of all the money you just lost. I want to tell you that it does not have to be that way anymore. If you could relate to anything I just mentioned, then yeah, I have been in your shoes. Now I consistently make 20% plus every single year, even if there's a stock market crash. My promise to you today is that I can show you how to consistently profit from the market using a trend following system. When I first discovered the stock market at age 16, I tried everything from day trading to options to swing trading to investing. After almost blowing up my account twice, I took a break because I couldn't handle losing money anymore. I was just tired of losing money, and I couldn't afford to keep losing money either. At that time, I was in school full time at college and working at Kroger as a bagger. So losing all my savings twice made me feel like a loser and a failure. During my trading break, I listened to a guy named Mike Turner talk about how to make money in bull and bear markets, and that changed everything. I realized the reason I wasn't making money consistently was because I wasn't following a strategy that actually works. I was hoping, I was guessing, and I was trying so many different things at one time. So guys, here is a system that works, trend following. There's literally been studies, multiple different studies done on how it proves that trend following has been working for centuries. You can see here, 2 centuries of mathematical research and proof, 1 century of research and proof. That means over 100 years of research and proof to prove a system that works. Hardly any other strategy on the market right now can say that they have this much data to prove that it works. Not only that, we actually can see here a visual return of a firm that has been using this approach. You can see here they have consistently beat the market with lower drawdowns and also beating it without being stuck in crashes. So that's a beautiful thing to see. Not only that, you can see here that this strategy, a trend following approach compared to a normal investing approach, not only doesn't lose much money in markets, but actually outperforms the market by a massive amount. Even during the Great Depression, stagflation, oil crisis, and more, this approach actually makes money. All right, so Mike Turner introduced the idea of trend following, and I loved it so much that I went deep on it. I not only verified that it works, but also found a way to improve it and make it incredibly simple for you. Now, not only do I have a strategy to consistently profit, but I also know how to find killer stocks. This led to my first 30% plus a year return while only spending about 15 minutes a week looking at the screen. I have also been able to help over 5,000 others do the exact same thing as me. You can see here's one of my most basic trend following courses with almost 6,000 members inside and so many different people I've helped from all over the world. From the United States to Estonia to Europe to London to Scotland to the United Kingdom to India to Germany. Guys, there's so many places around the world I've been able to help people so many student results because we're using a strategy that actually works. So if you're struggling to make money, I guarantee it's because you don't have the right strategy. I actually got my people out of the market before the crash and back in at the bottom during the using trend following during the 2020 market crash. Here's a great example. So again, we got out of the market right here, and then we're able to re-enter on that bounce and generate huge returns during 2020, despite this crash and weird uncertain times and periods, right? And so because of that, this approach works. I want to show you exactly how you can do it too. So again, here's just proof. You can see here, February 28, 2020. Hey guys, let's get out of the market and go into inverse positions, which means we're going to make money on the downside. And then follow up on March 26, 2020. Hey guys, it's time to buy the dip on SPY. And so that's just kind of proof that it works. So the key to all of this is called the impeccable trending band indicator. So here's what it looks like, and allows you to follow the trend with ease and be able to actually execute these trades with confidence, with peace of mind, and to actually make some money. So again, this is all based on Richard Dennis, the Turtle Traders, and literally 2 centuries of historical data. So here is Richard Dennis. Richard Dennis is a legendary trend trader who took $400 and turned it into $200 million over about 18 years, and that's insane. But not only that, he said, I know this is amazing and I know this works, but I know that I can teach the average person to do this too. And everyone said, no, that's impossible. So he hired random people from all different walks of life, people who had stock market experience and people who didn't, people who knew math and people who didn't. And we had teachers, parents, everybody in between, and he taught them very simple trend following strategies. And here is their return. Here are the 14 different returns of these people. You can see here, the lowest person is averaging about a 40% return a year. Who here would love to create a 40% return every single year? That is literally 4xing the market return. Not only that, the best 3 people literally doubled their money every single year. Who here would love to double their money every single year, to go from 1,000 to 2,000 to 4,000 to 8,000, right? That is the beauty of following an approach that works. There are so many testimonials or people who have used this band to generate amazing returns consistently. That's why I made the Impeccable Stock software, which is this. It basically takes this approach, this trend following system, puts it into a software that makes it super simple to actually find stocks and know exactly where to buy and sell based on these levels that have been working for years. So this is the most accurate and profitable trend following software on the internet. It was specifically built for trend followers by a trend follower myself, using math models and not guessing. It has an 83% accuracy rating, which is one of the highest in the industry ever, and why we have so many testimonials and client results and student results. And it has helped over 5,000 people consistently profit with ease. So the Impeccable Stock software is broken into 3 core components. The analyzer, which shows you exactly where to buy and sell based on this trend following system. Not only that, it gives you all the data you need to make an educated decision in one place. It works for swing traders, it works for trend traders, it works for investors, it works for beginners, it works for everyone, it works for literally everyone in between. If you want to make money from the stock market, this is how you can do it. The Impeccable Stock software with the analyzer, you no longer have to worry about knowing where to buy and where to sell. So if you ever struggle, say, hey Austin, I've been on this journey before, but I don't exactly know where to buy and I don't know where to sell and I don't have the confidence, like should I let the stock run further? Am I getting in at the right time? Is it going to crash against me? If you've asked any of these questions, the analyzer will solve all those problems for you. The Impeccable Stock software also has a screener, which allows you to find stocks that are ready to explode in seconds, stocks that are projected to take off in the next week to 2 weeks based on math and actual principles that have been working for centuries. It helps you pinpoint killer stocks for swing traders, trend traders, investors, and more, and allows you to search by factors previously not available, like the trend, like profit potential, like risk and reward, like the like discounted cash flow value. These things aren't you can't search these things on other screeners around the internet, and this is literally the best one around. It has been rated the best one by Benzinga as well. So again, with the Impeccable screener, you no longer have to spend hours finding stocks. Instead of coming home from a long work day, you can spend literally 5 seconds finding stocks instead of spending hours and missing time with your family and being stuck to a screen again. So now you can, instead of spending hours finding stocks, will now be alerted to all the hot stocks before they explode. So again, the Impeccable Stock software also has a watch list component where we send instant alerts onto your portfolio so you never miss out on that perfect entry or where to sell. It also helps you manage and track your portfolio with ease. So if we see a crash coming, we'll send you an alert and we'll tell you how to adjust your portfolio to stay protected. With the Impeccable watch list and alerts, you no longer have to worry about the next crash or how to best protect your portfolio, because we do it for you. Now, want to see a quick demo? Because this is going to be awesome, guys. So trust me, if you want to see a quick demo, say yes and I will show you. Okay, let's get into it right now. Give you a quick walkthrough of the software to show you how you can use it and be successful. So guys, we have the screener here, which helps you find stocks in seconds. So instead of worrying about all the headache, spending hours looking for stocks, you can now find trending stocks in seconds. So let's say you don't know where to start or what to look for. You can click your stocks ready to explode, and now you'll find stocks based on a trend score that will explode in the next week to 2 weeks. You also have steady, safe growers based on trends, stocks that will consistently perform well, and then you also can add your own filters here as well. So again, you can search by things like recommendation, which is all based on the trend, price from, how much money you want to make, how much you're okay with losing, trend, average hold time, how long you have to hold the stock to see a profit on average, and so many other factors as well, like the discounted cash flow value. All you need to do is put in what you want and click submit, and you can find those stocks in seconds instead of hours spending all that time. Not only that, you can also quickly preview these stocks by clicking all the stats to get the key stats on this and see how this stock is performing. So you can quickly see, do I like this stock and do I not like this stock? For instance, this stock, you can see its price. You can see that it's currently a buy. You can see that I need to hold it for about 20 days to make a profit. You can see your take profit, your stop loss, and all that and more. So let's say I like this stock and I click on it to learn more. So now it sends me to the analyzer page, which breaks down this stock in plain English so I know exactly what I need to do in the game plan. So instead of stressing and worrying and having headache and knowing where do I buy, where do I sell, what's my strategy, we lay out the game plan for you. So you can see here it's a buy, it trends well. You can read the game plan if you want, or you can see it broken down in plain English. You can see based on the trend and based on the stock's history, you want to buy it here. You want to take profit here. You want to add, you want to put your stop loss here, and you'll have a risk reward of 1 to 4. Meaning that you're risking $1 to make $4. This is an amazing, huge thing. Never before has a software showed you based on actual statistics, based on a trend following model, based on Richard Dennis, the Turtle Traders, and all that, something that shows you where to buy, where to sell, and why. And also, if you're more of a swing trader or trend follower, you can use this game plan. If you're more of an options day trader, you can use this game plan. If you're more of an investor, you have a game plan. So regardless of your investing type of strategy, it shows you the game plan for whatever you're doing based on the trend. Guys, this is an amazing factor. Not only can you find the perfect stocks that fit your criteria in seconds, but you can also know exactly what you need to do with those stocks and why. Guys, we also have the watch list. Once you add a stock to your watch list, we will automatically update you when you need to know something about that stock. Once it's added here, we will tell you when it becomes a buy, when it becomes a sell, and then you can come in here and learn more about it. You can also see portfolio statistics and amazing stuff like that. Not only that, we have other cool features like research overload, which shows your IPO, your insider trading, economic calendars and stuff like that. You have paper trading if you want to test it, and we also have crypto, forex, and so much more. Anyways, guys, that is the software, and this is built by a trend trader for trend traders and will help you succeed as a trend trader. Anyways, if you want your part of the $6.5 billion that has been generated in trend profits, this is your platform. So guys, like I said, even though I love this software and I showed you how awesome it is, I also want to give you an independent audit here. So the Impeccable Stock software was reviewed by Benzinga, which is a huge financial institution. And basically what they gave us one of the highest reviews ever for a stock market software, specifically swing trading software. So as you can see here, we have a 4.5 review. Not only that, they ranked us the #1 swing trading screener and swing trading software on the internet right now. You can see here that it says, but all so guys, the Impeccable Stock software offers its full suite of services for less than $100, which typically is not available. So it's literally amazing. Okay, not only that, we have so many results here from this. It says, honestly, I was skeptical of the software because I didn't make money the first couple of weeks, but I decided to stick with it. Now I've been up 2 to 5% since then. Thanks for the amazing software, guys. Like I said, this is why I wanted to show this testimonial. If you're skeptical, if you're curious if this works, if you're just wondering like how can this be, I wanted to put this in here because guys, it's okay to be skeptical. Like it's okay to doubt it, and it's okay to figure out to make sure this works. And that's why I'm here, because I want to prove to you that it works. And again, guys, we're not giving you a system that's going to work 100% of the time. There's nothing that works 100% of the time in this market. We give you the best odds for success so that you can actually put all the odds in your favor to make money, and that is something that we do that nobody else does. And that's why why we have so many results. So anyways, guys, let me prove to you that this works. We have another student who says, gotta love the software. Small money, but up 67%. Who here would love to be up 67% on one trade, right? Like, isn't that the holy grail? Isn't that what we're looking for? And I love this one. He says, what made me like the software so much was the fact it was a one-stop shop kind of solution to investing. The guesswork was removed and the discipline and foresight were provided. That's what I wanted to show you right there. Who here wants to make money from the market, but they don't actually know what they're doing? Maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're advanced and you still don't actually know the best places to get in or the best places to sell, or maybe you know you should have a stop loss set, but you never actually set a stop loss, or you keep moving it down as the stock moves down, which leads to huge losses. Well, guys, guess what? You no longer have to guess. You no longer have to worry. Now you can have peace of mind and confidence in your systems with discipline provided, so that you know where to set your stop loss and how to protect yourself. So we've been using your new software for about 10 days and we're already up 15%. The software makes it so easy to understand what to buy and what to pass on. The software has already paid for itself and more. Who here would like to make about $1,500 in 10 days, right? Wouldn't we all? That's literally almost someone's salary for the month. It's crazy. Anyways, so like making that amount of money in 10 days is awesome. Because it's our birthday month and Black Friday, I wanted to give you the biggest discount that we've ever done. So pay attention. Stay tuned because I'm going to tell you how you can get over 50% off this software for life. So guys, if you are interested in that, please stay tuned. Okay, so what you're going to get, the Impeccable Stock software, which includes the analyzer, the screener, the alerts, and so much more. You can get the professional plan, which is unlimited access to everything. You won't be gated, you won't be stopped. You have unlimited access to everything for 1 year access. That's a $1,164 value. You also get 5 custom screener filters for a $697 value. Now, what is this? This here, actually, we preload in your account. If you sign up right now, you will actually be able to see your default screener searches. So if you are more of an investor, if you're more of a swing trader, if you're more of a day trader, if you're more of an options person, or if you just want to find the best trending stocks around to make you money, I have a filter that literally I have spent over the last 4 years, almost five years of trying to figure out the market of each approach, and I figured out the best screener for each approach, and I programmed this in so that you can actually have access to these screeners. So if you're a trend trader, just click on the trend filter, you'll find those best trending stocks automatically. If you're an investor, you can find those investing stocks immediately. Guys, I have put like my sweat, money that I've lost into being able to create these best screeners to find the best stocks for each approach, and now I'm just going to give them to you for free. Now again, you can see here that most people pay for a screener and default things like this. They pay somewhere around $60 a month, so it's about $720 a year. So that's how much the typical person pays for screeners, but I'm giving it to you for free in addition to the software for signing up today. All right, so what you're also going to get, the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, unlimited access to everything, 1 year access, a $1,164 value, 5 custom screener filters, a $697 value, stock and watchlist alerts, a $497 value. So what are you going? What is this? What are these alerts? Basically, every single day we send out the high noon alerts, which shows you the stocks most likely to explode in the next week, so that you no longer have to guess or worry or search yourself. I'll just send you the top stocks for you every single day. And with that, we also update your portfolio and you know what's going on. Now, again, we are not a broker. So again, we are not going to buy and sell for you, but we give you all the data and knowledge you need to do that yourself. We've also had an 83% success rate during the month of September, an 81% success rate in the month of October, and our average success rate is an 82% overall over about 5 decades. And so we have that proof and we have the results, and that's why it works so well. So again, you can see here, some people will sign up for a subscription just for alerts on people who are guessing and don't actually have a real system that they can't prove and back test. And people are still paying a lot of money for that. Here's an example of $47 a month for one. Here's another one that's $97 a month. That's literally almost $100 a month for alerts, and they're just guessing and not following a real system. So let's say the average person pays about $50 a month for these alerts services. So that's about $600 a year for this. And so that's how much the typical person pays, but I'm going to give it to you for free with this today. And so again, here are some examples of our alerts. First time implementing the software today with 2 alerts, C and NCLH, up almost 4% just on those today. Can't argue with the results. Really appreciate your hard work. I love this one right here because he actually shows the high noon stock alerts email. So you can see here, grow and IRBT from the high noon stock alerts. You can see here it was included in the stocks most likely to explode email. He bought both of them, and now he's up 24% on grow, and he's up about 7% on IRBT. Who here would like to stop wasting time, stop coming home from a long day of work, getting on the screen again, searching through stocks, not know exactly what you're looking for, and instead get sent the best stocks that are likely to explode based on actual math and statistics, and then be able to buy those and make a 24% return, right? Everyone's hand should be up, said, yes, Austin, I want that. Like, everybody should want that, because that is literally what we're striving to help you do, and that's how it's working. Anyways, here's another example of Scene. He says, I bought it on Friday after using the screener. The software is insane. Money face. Set my stop loss and just waiting to hit to see if it takes profit. Kenan7 says those high noon alerts are amazing, and Scene comes in and says again, actually up the stop loss and it triggered, so I sold and made a $2.5 thousand profit. Who here would like to make $2,500 in one trade just by following a screener alert? That's the beauty of following a system that works, a strategy that works, and having it being sent to you automatically. So what you're going to get in this offer, you're going to get the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, so that you know where to buy and where to sell and how to find killer stocks in seconds. A 1-year access for $1,164 value. You're going to get access to 5 custom screener filters, a $697 value. You're going to get access to stock and watch list alerts so that you no longer have to worry about what is going on with your portfolio, a $497 value. I'm also giving you a software training masterclass, a $297 value. For those who are wondering, what is that? Well, for those who are not tech savvy, for those who want to make sure they fully know how to get everything out of the software, I actually go through each thing and I do a video and explaining with a step-by-step checklist as well to walk you through how to use everything. So I go through the screener, I go through the analyzer, I go through the alerts, and I show you how to set up each one to make sure you're getting the most out of the software. And also I provide a checklist, and so that you know exactly what to do with any step. So if you're not tech savvy, not only is the software super easy to use out of the gate, but I also give you a software masterclass. So who does this software work for? Who will this offer work for? It's for anyone that knows how to use a computer and wants to make money from the market. It works for swing traders, investors, day traders who are looking for the best research platform to increase your returns, decrease your risk, and help you achieve financial freedom, right? Isn't that our goal? Doesn't everyone just want a bit more freedom with their finances, to stop being restricted, to stop having to worry about it all the time? Like, that's what we want. It's for dads, moms, parents, students, anyone who has limited time but wants to start making money from the market in a safe and consistent way. So what you're going to get: the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, 1-year access, a $1,164 value, 5 custom screener filters that you can find the exact stock you're looking for, a $697 value, stock and watch list alerts so you never miss out on the next home run stock, a $497 value, software training masterclass, a $297 value, exclusive access to StockFlix Plus, which is one of my favorite ones ever, literally a $1,000 value. So what is this? So over the 5 years that I have learned things between taxation, options, swing trading, investing, whatever, I've made courses and I've sold courses, and literally if you combine the price of all my courses together, it's literally over $1,500 that I've sold for a course, and so I'm putting all those course contents inside the software for you. So not only do you have access to everything you need to profit, but if you want to learn more, if you want to teach your kids about stocks, if you just want to understand certain concepts better, for instance like taxation, I have that all in there for you to learn for free. So we also have, inside there, one of the courses is the Trend Following Masterclass, which goes over Technical Analysis 101, Trend Following 101, Sector Rotation, Stock Selection, and the Psychology Masterclass. We also have a Growing a Small Account Masterclass for those who have under $1,000 and are trying to grow fast and are trying to learn how you can safely grow your account. I have a Small Account Masterclass. It shows you the right broker to use, how to find quality cheap stocks, not stupid penny stocks, the best strategies for growth, how to achieve consistent results, and small account psychology, because it's all about your brain and how you think about things. Not only that, we have a ton of masterclass videos and 101s like taxation for those who have a lot of tax questions, psychology, options, fundamentals, etc. So again, what you're going to get. The Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, 1-year access, a $1,164 value, 5 custom screener filters, a $697 value, stock and watchlist alerts, a $497 value, software training masterclass, a $297 value, exclusive access to StockFlix Plus, a $997 value, a total value of $3,652. So if all this did was give you access to a proven trend trading system that has been working for centuries that will help you profit, would it be worth it? Ask yourself that question. If you now knew where to buy and where to sell with confidence, with peace of mind, with knowing your account is protected and that you're actually going to have a really high chance of making money, would that be worth it to you to go to bed at night and actually be able to sleep without having to wake up and constantly check your phone? Would it be worth it? Ask yourself, if all this did was help you have more consistency through reliable stock automation, would it be worth it? If you no longer had to worry about your portfolio during the day, you could actually focus on your kids, actually focus on your work, and actually get things done without being concerned about your portfolio. Would it be worth it? If all this did was show you the best stocks to buy every single week, would it be worth it? Instead of having to search hours and literally spending research, going through YouTube, going through articles, going through news, instead just being sent the best stocks, would that be worth it? Imagine skipping all those mistakes, all 5 years of losing money, research, all that stuff, and getting right to the rich part. Again, if you put in the work. So I had 2 choices when putting together this offer. First option, go as cheap as possible and try to sell as many as possible. It wouldn't incentivize me to really stack the value though, right? If I just made it cheap and I try to sell as many as possible, then I wouldn't really be, encouraged to actually help you guys out, right? Because you didn't pay me much money, right? But the second option requires a little higher investment from you, so you pay a bit more, but in exchange, I can devote more of my time and resources to help guarantee your success. And again, if you know anything about me, I like giving you as much time and as much resources as possible to help you succeed. For instance, if you reach out to help at our help desk and support, guess who's there? It's me, because I want to make sure that you're having the best success possible. Anyways, you can see why others are paying me almost $1,000 for this offer. For my followers, I typically give them a small discount of $970, and I'm not lying to you. I'm not making up stuff. If you guys look here, you can actually go to the software website right now, and it would be $970 a year to sign up, and you actually don't even get access to all the bonuses I just mentioned, like the screeners, the software training, and all that stuff. But instead, and look, here are our actual examples of people who are signing up for this plan for $970. But because it's our birthday month, and hopefully you watch the 4-part masterclass, which basically would teach you everything, I want to give you a special offer. Get started now for only a one-time payment of $497. So you pay $497 to get access to all these things, and it's literally going to be amazing. Like, you're literally saving 50% on this offer, right? It's typically $997, but you can get it right now for $497. Now, I don't want to try to finagle my way and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, I want to be upfront and honest with you, because that's the type of person I am. The Pro plan will renew at $497 next year. So again, in 1 year, it will renew at $497 again, because this is a yearly plan. However, I will send you an email reminder 2 weeks and then a week before, so that you can know if you want to cancel or change your plans at any time. So again, I'm not trying to BS you or whatever. I just want to be honest. This is an amazing discount, but it is a yearly offer. So it will be renewed every single year at the discounted price. So anyways, this is everything you get for literally 50% off. It's going to help you do everything it's going to do everything for you to help you profit with ease in 2022, to actually set yourself up to beat inflation, to actually start to join the new rich and have a bit more peace and security over your finances. So now you have 2 choices. The first option is do nothing and not take this leap of faith and join in at 50% discount, which is 100% risk-free. Or your second option, make this small investment today compared to all the value you get in return and just give it a shot, right? If you think I'm providing you with more value than the price of this program, then the choice is easy. I mean, it's risk-free, right? If you think I'm giving you more than $500 worth of value, if you think you can find stocks that are actually going to make you $1,000, $500, $1,500, then this program is totally worth it. So I mean, it's also risk-free, right? We have a 14-day money-back guarantee. This is also something that most other stock people don't offer, because their stuff doesn't actually work, right? So if for any reason this program is not for you, just email me at support or use the chat box in the software and say, hey, I want a refund, and I will give you a complete refund. I don't care if you send the message 13 days, 23 hours, and 59 minutes from now, or from when you sign up, then guess what? I will will still honor that and give you a 100% refund. Now, warning, if you do not hold up your end of the bargain, aka you try to request a refund after 14 days or you dispute the charge after 14 days, you will be denied. I have a 100% success rate on this because you know about this 14-day offer guarantee. Anyways, just a couple reminders of how much the software actually works. It's actually proven to work, and here are so many of our results, right? I found this stock, and then I checked it with your software. It listed as a great buy. Bam, 2 days of holding, a 14.38% return. Who here would like to make a 15% almost or a 14% return in 2 days, right? Everyone's hand should be up. That is what we're going for. Like beating the market in 2 days. That is insane. Anyways, moving on. Thanks, Austin. I really appreciate the assistance. The value in the analyzer, screener, and portfolio manager is simply unmatched. Hey man, I've been following you for a while and got your software and decided to test it out. I opened a new account with $200 and have made over double in less than 2 months. Thank you for helping the people out. Guys, who here would like to double your account in literally 2 months? Double your account every 2 months, which means if you have $500 now, you'll have $1,000 in 2 months. That is an insane return, right? If you have $1,000 now, then you'll have $2,000 in 2 months. Or if you have $10,000 now, you'll have $20,000 in 2 months. Guys, that is the beauty of compounding and growing using a reliable and consistent system. Hey, Austin, I bought one of your recommended stocks on the software last week, and today it shot up 50%. Just wanted to say thank you and keep up the good work. By the way, I've been following you for a half a year now, asked all these annoying questions. Anyways, I invested my $1,000 this month, and I'm already up 50% a week after. Who here would like to almost like 50% growth your account in a month? That is literally insane. They made $500 in a single month. That will continually add up and lead to their financial freedom. Anyways, guys, so what you're going to get with this huge offer is the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, 1-year access, a $1,164 value, 5 custom screener filters, a $697 value, stock and watch list alerts, a $497 value, a software training masterclass, a $297 value, exclusive access to StockFlix Plus, a $997 value, a total value of $3,652. And you can get started now, right now, by clicking the link below, a one-time payment of $497. Literally, guys, check. This is literally one of the biggest offers I have ever and will ever do. So if you're on the fence, you need to jump off and just join because it's risk-free. We have a complete refund policy that I will give you a full refund if you don't like it. This is the greatest offer ever because not only is it a 50% off, but it will continue to be a 50% off discount for the entire life, and you have access to the unlimited plan. So you're literally missing nothing. Sign up now if you want to start making money, you want to start saving time on finding stocks, and you want to have that confidence and peace of mind when knowing where to buy and where to sell. Anyways, I also have 4 very special bonuses if you take advantage right now. All right. So bonus number 1 is the Instagram close friends list. This is a $297 value. What does this mean? It means if you have an Instagram account, you can send your username to me, and I will add you to my close friends list. This is where when I do stock research and I find some amazing stocks and I say what I'm doing with my portfolio, you can actually watch me talk about that. But that only goes to my Instagram close friends list. For instance, I found an amazing stock last night when I was doing research, and I said, hey, Instagram close friends list, what's up? Check out this stock. And guys, if you want access to that and be able to find stocks that I think are cool, then make sure to take advantage now to get this bonus for free. Bonus number 2, the strategy type PDF guides. For those who have been saying, Austin, I'm more of an investor. Austin, I'm more of a day trader. Austin, I'm more of a swing trader. How can I use the software for me? Well, I put together an exact step-by-step guide to help you no matter what type of person you are, no matter what type of approach you use to get the most out of the software. So again, this will answer all your questions regardless of what type you are. Now, I also have a fast action bonus for those who sign up by tonight at midnight, being Black Friday at midnight. You get a one-on-one strategy call with me, a $197 value. This is a 45-minute call where I will go over with you where you are at right now, everything you need to do to get to where you want to be. So, for instance, if you already have a portfolio and you tell me how much you want to be making by the end of the year. I will tell you, hey, this is a great stock. Keep this in your portfolio. Remove this, do this, XYZ. If you haven't started, I'm going to understand where you're at in the world and what's best for you. And we'll go, okay, you need this broker. You should be depositing this month, each month. And these are the type of stocks you should be doing. So again, if you want some tailored guidance, some understanding what is going on from someone who has been in the market for so long, I will give that to you on a free one-on-one strategy call for all those who sign up by tonight, Black Friday at midnight. We also have another fast action bonus, which I'm super excited for, is the impeccable portfolio service. So again, this is amazing. This is a brand new business that I'm starting here soon to tailor to help those who have 5 and even 6-figure accounts. Why? Because my investment portfolio has recently crossed 6 figures, and there are different types of stocks and different types of strategies you can use to grow your account. And so I want to be able to help those with a higher account value and to give you more time and to give you custom alerts, and to also do a monthly live stream with you guys to break down your portfolio to see where you are and to give you some more attention. And so for those who want to join that new company that I'm starting, that new program that's literally going to be me giving you a ton of my time to help you know what's right, I'm going to give you 6 months of free access to this, like completely free access to this for free, even though it's a $582 value. I'm going to give it to you for free if you sign up tonight, Black Friday by midnight. And I will get everyone in there for free. Now, just a reminder, in order to get this deal, you do have to sign up with the yearly program. So again, $497 value that you're paying, that you could pay for anyways. It's literally, I'm giving you so much value for this, and it's awesome. Like, if you want time to understand alerts that I'm actually doing on my real portfolio right now, and if you want my monthly time and attention, this is for you. Anyways, so what you're going to get, you're going to get the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, 1-year access, a $1,164 value, 5 custom screener filters, a $697 value, stock and watch list alerts, a $497 value, software training masterclass, a $297 value, exclusive access to StockFlex Plus, a $997 value. Bonus number 1, the Instagram close friends list. Bonus number 2, your strategy type PDF guides. Fast action bonus number 1, which is a one-on-one strategy call with me. Fast action bonus number 2, a 6 month access to our brand new program. Anyways, that is a total value of $4,728. And guess what? You can get started now for a one-time payment of $497. The pro plan will renew at the same price, but again, that's the same discounted price forever. Anyways, guys, check this out if you are serious about changing your life and making more money in the market. What else could help you outside of this? Well, you could go to college, which is about $26,000 a year, right? But I can tell you that I graduated with a bachelor's degree in finance, and we hardly ever talk stocks. So yeah, you can go pay $26,000 a year for that, but you're not going to learn much. Or you could go to a financial advisor, which is going to charge you about $4,000 up front, and then also $300 an hour just to talk to them. So again, that is so much money to get started, and you don't need to be paying that much. So again, you can go to college or financial advisor, or just sign up for the software for $497. Anyways, guys, we have so many user reviews as well. If you go on YouTube and type in Impeccable Stock Software, you can literally see all the reviews of people who have talked about the software, and it's literally insane to see, right? These people love the software, and it's just a proof of how well the system works, using a system that will actually work for you as well. All right, so guys, just a reminder of the deadlines. Fast action bonuses will end Black Friday, 11/26 at midnight CST. And overall, this huge 50% off discount, if you haven't taken advantage now, will end Cyber Monday at midnight. So literally, guys, stop being on the fence, because we have so many amazing fast action bonuses that I want you to take advantage of. And also, don't miss out on this huge discount, because this discount will never come around again. And I am serious when I say that. I will never discount the software this much ever again, because it's just an amazing software and it works. So again, what you're going to get the Impeccable Stock Software Professional Plan, 1-year access, 5 custom screener filters, the software and the stock and watch list alerts, the software training masterclass, the exclusive access to StockFlex Plus, the Instagram close friends list, the strategy type PDF guides, the fast action bonus, the one-on-one strategy call, the fast action bonus, the 6 months access to the new program, a total value of $4,728 that you can get right now for only a one-time payment of $497 for the yearly plan, or $49 a month for the monthly plan. And so again, guys, literally, it's amazing. Take advantage now. Okay. Like I said, it's a take advantage now, one-time payment. Just a reminder before I end this video, here is the fast action bonuses. Black Friday ends at midnight CST. The 50% off discount ends Cyber Monday at midnight. Guys, seriously, take advantage now. I don't know what you're doing. Check out below. Click the link below. Sign up, and trust me, you won't regret it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go check out the software now. It's risk-free with your 14-day free trial. I can't wait to see you guys inside and helping you crush it and actually make some money and beat the market consistently with safety in 2022. All right, guys, click the link below and sign up, and I'll see you inside. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of the video. As I said, the winner would be announced here, and you have to message me. So again, there will be a recording of this video out there, but again, the first person from this list to message me will win. These 3 people were randomly selected based on points and whatever, just a random drawing. And so as you can see here, we have Derek Melson, Nanny Cortez, Patty Levesque. Anyways, guys, you won. The first one of these 3 people to message me will win the MacBook Air and the giveaway. You guys can email me, put it in a YouTube comment, wherever you're at, preferably email or Instagram DM me, and I will check all the times. Anyways, you are one of the winners, so make sure to send me a message, and I can't wait to ship out your stuff. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for participating in this huge Black Friday type giveaway deal. Just a reminder, guys, you want to take advantage of this offer tonight. It's the best offer I've ever done on a professional yearly plan and the best one I will ever do. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I can't wait to ship this out. You guys have been awesome. I will see you in the next video wherever that